Hey, imagine this! Cebu's first ever chocolate fest right here at SMC Side City. And yes, we got invited to join the Choco Crawl. The workshop kicked off with us becoming chocolatiers for a day. First up, getting to know cacao, its aroma, its story, and how it transformed into the chocolate we all love. Then we were handed molds and toppings to make our own bars. Mine, pizza shape, of course. They cooled it down while I got to meet new friends. Next up, a tasting guide. Compound, Calabo, Oro, and Dahlia. That's when I learned why cocoa butter make all the difference and why some chocolates are pricey while others are cheap. Super eye-opening. We wrapped the workshop with photos and our chilled creations back in hand. But the crawl didn't stop there. I explored the stalls. Lichata for my mocha tablea drink, say cheese for Dubai chocolate waffle, overly coconutty for white chocolate cake, Ilias Home Kitchen for my mocha cookie, Celsius Cream for chewy Dubai chocolate, Dahlia chocolate for pure chocolate toffee, and Token Yarn for my cute eye initial keychain. Finally, SMC Side City Cebu spoiled us with goodies, chocolate notepad, stickers, and of course, more chocolates. It was such a fun Choco Crawl. Thank you SMC Side City for these sweet adventures.